Here at Coyote Classics, Chad and I are getting ready to test drive, then check out this 1972 C10.
This thing's comfortable, ain't it?
It is. Beautiful interior. Nice sound.
Nice hard shift. Factory tack works. Speedometer works perfect. Gas gauge works. Horn works. Tilt wheel. I mean, this is a cool Restomod pretty much. It's got factory air. Big block under the hood. It's got a great idle too.
Yeah, it does. It's a nice car. Nice truck, I should say.
Air conditioning works.
It's got air conditioning?
Yeah. Hell yeah, man. Why wouldn't it?
I'd imagine that works. There's a little remote in here too for it.
It works.
Good deal.
Joshua's water over the dam days this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There's a street dance.
It's damn nice. I like it. And the cool thing with this is this can be a really cool big black air conditioning truck in a great price range. I think we're going to price it at $25,995. $4,200 RPMs, great firm shift. Second shift is at 3,500. 55 mile an hour down the road.
Goes down the road nice, don't it?
Oh yeah, kick down works great, back into second, back up to third. The speedometer's off a little bit, Dalton. It's probably about 15 mile, probably too slow. It says we're doing 50, and I think we're probably doing closer to 60, 62. Look at this thing, man. Rod told me I'd love this truck.
I'm impressed by how it drives.
Yeah, I figured you would be. Wipers work, air works, horn works, every gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, temp gauge works, battery gauge works. And the cool thing about it is they're all the factory gauges with factory tack.
Yeah, no one's put nothing goofy in there.
And I love the freaking
the interior's
Houndstooth
beautiful.
interior.
Yep.
This is a quality truck.
It
now,
is.
with this truck, it is wrapped. The paint's wrapped on it. You don't notice that till you get really right up close, but just a great driver.
Yeah, it is. Get her back to the shop, check her out. This is a really neat C10. Love the look of it. Love the Mickey Thompson tires in the back. The great sound too.
Look at the width of those tires. I mean, those are some meats back there. How many trucks do you see with bucket seats, Houndstooth interior, air conditioning, big block, factory tack?
Sounds awesome.
It really goes down the road nice too. Look how easy that hood opens, huh? You see the custom grille? The bumpers, the turn signals with the little loop, custom grille louvers in it as well.
Beautiful under the hood, 427.
Well, I'm not sure 100%. We have to run the numbers. You know, the 427 are pretty tough to tell, but definitely a big block. Headers, steering, brakes, working air. Yeah, cool.
It is very
clean. Aluminum radiator, keeping it cool. Sounds good too. No exhaust leak.
Motor idle's super nice.
It's a great looking truck.
Big aluminum radiator as well.
Yep. Hood shuts nice and easy. Like I said, the grille's all been redone. Front bumper is in great shape as well. Really nice gaps. Now this truck is got a wrap on it. So it was professionally wrapped and super solid truck. Love the American Racing chrome wheels, disc brakes up front. Back of the hood lines up great on both sides. Now you walk up to it, you can't tell that it's wrapped at all. It looks like paint to me. But if you look up and down the sides a little bit, you can see, I don't know how to describe it, almost, you can't feel it, but it almost looks like flames under there or something. You know what I mean? It's not, but you can just see that,
A little different.
it's a wrap.
Yeah. The texture, you can see kind of how it was laid.
Yep. Bottom of the front here has just a little ding down in here. you're looking for just a really cool driver, I mean, this is awesome.
Well, the nice thing too, it is wrapped, but the jambs are still painted black.
Yeah.
So sometimes guys wrap a car with a different color than the jambs don't match.
Yeah. I love this. The bucket seats, console, factory tack. Inside the cab's all painted nice. Dash is painted awesome. AC ducts and little Astro vents and stuff are all new. Dash pad's new. It's got tilt wheel as well. Tailgate's beautiful. Trim around the tailgate. Back bumper's in great shape as well. It does have the tonneau cover that locks. I don't think I know. Why should we shut that door? Rear quarter's in great shape. As far as the door adjustment out here, it does have a dent in the door as well that needs to be fixed way down in here. Bottom of the front fender has a little ding in it as well down here. The door handles, bottom corner of the door is in great shape. It's got Kenwood speakers in the doors, deluxe interior, beautiful paint on the dash, 56,000 miles on the odometer. Again, tack works, gas gauge, oil pressure. We went through that stuff on the test drive. Really nice little truck.
Very neat. A lot of fun to drive too. And air conditioning super great to have. If you're interested in it, check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the description of the video if you're watching on YouTube. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.